Hey gal pals, it's Abby. I'm back. Instead of doing something that's a little bit more advanced, I decided to do a really quick everyday makeup tutorial because I kind of wanted to figure out, what can I do to help you guys for an everyday kind of thing. My first video was tips and tricks and it was of a more glam side of makeup, but I wanted an everyday, really quick routine for you guys to hopefully follow. Or you don't have to follow, you can just kind of get some quick tips and tricks here and there throughout this makeup tutorial that you definitely want to use. But it's totally up to you guys. If you are fine with your routine and you just want to use this makeup video to hear my beautiful voice, do what you gotta do. But I just kind of wanted to give this to you guys. Thought it was really important to do something that you can use every single day, you can use every other day, you can use
once a week, once a month.
Warning, I don't do my makeup every single day. I am lazy. I'm guilty of that. Some days,
a lot of the days,
I just don't want to do it. Maybe I'll try a video where I have to wear makeup every single day for a week. Anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It didn't take a lot of time, but I really hope that you get something out of this and that you guys enjoy. Let's get on to the video. So like I said, I just kind of wanted to time myself to see how long it would take. I don't want to go against the clock because that's not really the point. The point is to kind of see how long a every single day makeup look would take if I wanted to do a little quicker. I'm going to press the start button.
My screen is so dirty.
What we're going to start with is if you want a really quick prep and prime kind of step, you're going to go with this spray. If you want something that's going to kind of fill in your pores and give you that smooth skin look, I would probably definitely recommend a pore minimizer primer. And the reason I'm going to put this on first is it's going to fill in those pores. It might take a little quicker because you have this patting motion all around your face. It's just kind of going to bring your look together if you just kind of take a little time on this first step. Alright, so our primer's on now. We're just going to spray our face really quick. Some makeup gurus actually just like to put on that primer and they're good to go with some highlight and everything else. That's great, but I kind of wanted to give you a couple other little steps and tips and tricks. You'll be ready to just
take on the whole day, slay all day.
So next what we're going to do is we're actually going to take Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream by L'Oreal. The reason I'm doing this is because I do have redness on my face and it's kind of a easy, very lightweight solution because I really don't want to go to the foundation route. I just want to stick to something that's lightweight, and also if I happen to rub this off, it's not going to be super noticeable if I do fix little imperfections and stuff on your face, which
I have a lot of,
but that's okay.
We're only human and we believe.
So we're just going to pat that in with our beauty blender.
She is damp.
Great thing about the beauty blender is it is very fast. We're actually going to do our eyes because we prepped and primed all our face and everything. We're going to do eyes
Really
quick. So after we put on that BB cream and the primer and stuff, you can be done with your face and that's all you want to do. That's great, your skin will look fine. I might add some other stuff after I kind of do my eyes. Wanted to give you a really quick prep and prime kind of step, and if you wanted to be done with the BB cream, then great, you can then move on to your eyes. So what you want to do is you definitely want to prime your eyes. Again, you can skip this step and you can go right to a highlighter or a soft shimmer shade. Put it in the corner of your eye, kind of put it in your brow bone. You're done. You don't need primer for that, in all honesty. There's nothing that's going to make it look patchy or anything. But I want a little color in my eyes and I also want a shimmer shade. We're going to have to prime it to make sure that it does not smudge. We're going to put just a little bit of this on our eyes and we're just going to pat it out. And we're just going to take a fluffy brush and we're just going to pat some powder on to our eyes. We're going to take a really nice neutral brown color. These two right here, we're just going to dip into them and then we're just going to kind of put it on the corner right here with our nice fluffy brush that we used, and it just kind of gives you a really nice subtle color. I'm going more for a very natural, barely looks like I have makeup on kind of look. The highlight that we're going to use, the Becca Cosmetics in Opal, and we're just going to put it in the corner of her eye and kind of bring it up into that area right here. Just take a brush, it's a little tinier and has like a little rounded edge. You're gonna dip into that and then you're just gonna put that on your brow bone right here. So now you're just gonna go with our eyebrows. And I know the steps that I'm taking are completely out of order what I did in my makeup tips and tricks video. And you know, you do things out of order and I'm showing you right now it's not a bad thing.
It's really not a bad thing.
We are not going to draw on really heavy eyebrows. We are just going to lightly fill in some areas. You can just brush it out with a little spoolie at the end. Eyebrows are onto eyeliner. I'm not even going to put any tape on. We're just going to go in and draw a simple line. I'll try to do a very small
Cat.
winged eyeliner look. I drew on that black line. We're going to take our Kat Von D liquid eyeliner and we're just going to draw right on top of that pencil eyeliner that we did. So I just did a very small little wing on each side. Your eye look is pretty much done at this point. We're just going to move on to face right now. Pretty much what I did is I added a pop of color with the brown. I did the highlight in the inner corner in the brow bone and then I put on eyeliner. You can put on eyeliner and mascara. So what I already put on was primer, the MAC Prep and Prime, and the L'Oreal BB Cream Anti-Redness. If I wanted a little bit more canceled out, I would definitely go next to concealer. So if you wanted to just do foundation with a concealer, great. If that's the way that you want to do it, that's quick and easy for you because you're just used to it, then you can do that. I'm just doing a concealer like this because one, it's easier to just slap it on, two colors. You take your beauty blender and you blend it out. With foundation for me, it does take a little bit longer because I gotta make sure it's all even on my face. Take the time to blend it out. But with the concealer, I'm targeting my problem areas. It's gonna make your blemishes just look a little bit less noticeable. So we have our concealer on, we worked it in, not every blemish is gone. Our powder, because we want to make sure all that concealer is set, will not move for the rest of the day for however long you need it to stay. You're just going to put it wherever you put your concealer. This is the Coty Airspun Translucent Powder. Kind of just leave it there for right now and then go into your bronzer. So the bronzer I have again. You're going to take your brush, really quick way to warm up your face after putting all that concealer on. Kind of swoosh this in. What's really nice about an everyday foundation kind of look is you can kind of swirl it in like I'm using because you're not really moving any product at this point.
Quick nose contour half.
Okay, so we're just going to kind of brush away leftover powder that we have.
Why do I look like a ghost?
Next step, blush. We're just going to put on really quickly. We're just going to pat it on. Going to dip into that same highlighter. Just put it on. You're more than welcome to put it on your nose, right here. What we have left is lips really quick, and then we're going to put that mascara on the bottom of our lashes. So for our lips, we're just going to take a simple Vaseline lip therapy and rosy lips. It does look pretty pink, but I'm telling you right now, once you put it on, it doesn't even look. Use your finger to put it on your lips. Greatest chapstick. I recommend this to every single person. You can put it on at night when you have super chapped lips and you're like, oh my gosh, this hurts, this sucks. Go to sleep, next day your lips totally fine. Nice and moisturized and everything. It's not as convenient as a chapstick, but do our mascara really quick. We're all done with this. We always want to prep and prime our face after we put all that powder on. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look, an everyday, really easy makeup tutorial, makeup routine for you to follow. I really wanted to do this because I am a very lazy person and I don't do my makeup every day, so I don't want to preach like,
Oh my god, I take the time to do it every single day. I really don't. If you do your makeup every single day,
props to you because I would love to. I would love to get into that routine. These are just some really quick tips to enhance some of your features really quickly with makeup. Hopefully you can put them into your own routine. You can take some of my tips and just use it towards whatever you gotta do. You can do the exact routine that I just did. Just remember, whatever you are doing every day that makes you comfortable with your makeup, keep doing it.
It looks great on you.
It technically stopped at 12, but like I kept having to start and stop it because I'm filming and I was like, this isn't really like true to time because I'm also explaining things. It would just go a lot quicker if I was just like, I don't don't know how long this would take. With makeup, once you do it every single day over and over and over, you're gonna speed up your time. It's like practicing. Once you practice it every single day, it's gonna come naturally to you. And it's gonna be like second nature. It might start off slow the first day and you're like, oh my god, how can I do this every single day and it takes 12 minutes. But if you do it every single day and you find out little quicker things to do, that's how you're going to up your speed, and that's how you're going to actually make it an everyday thing, because it's going to be super easy. Everything that I did, you don't have to do. Just do the primer and spray your face, draw on some eyeliner, mascara, and boom, you're done. How many people I've seen do that and it looks absolutely amazing. I just wanted to show you as many steps as possible, show you what you can do with your face. You can take out whatever you want. This is your face. You do what you are comfortable with. Kind of let me know. I love to hear your comments. You guys are absolutely so sweet. My 12 subscribers. It really just kind of means a lot that people are supporting me, being absolutely wonderful about this. It really motivates me to make good content and be truthful to you guys and be entertaining as much as I can. I know this video wasn't as entertaining. Give you something entertaining, give you something that you can use every day and that you can take away from. And
You're like, wow, this is actually a good content, thank you.
and I say, I'm hoping to do something like a cut crease next, so it is going to be a little bit more advanced. This one was kind of really easy for y'all to just kind of follow, figure out some things that hopefully you'll feel comfortable doing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know it was really quick, but I really appreciate y'all. I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you.